Morning. I'm going to be applying my henna to my Microlocs on today. Last night I shampooed and deep conditioned them. Let me show you what they were looking like. So yes, I have some grays popping out up here. So I'm going to be using the henna that I mixed up last night to apply to them, especially my roots. I had those braids in, and it did take a toll on some of them. That's a tip for if you have Microlocs and you want to get box braids or anything like that. Make sure they're doubling them or tripling them up, just so it won't be so much weight on them, because it can cause breakage. But I'm gonna show you the henna. This is the henna I mixed up last night. So let me see if I can pull the camera down so you can see. That's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna stir it up a little bit, mix it all up, and then I'm just gonna be applying it with my hands. This is the bowl, so I'm pretty much done. Just finished rinsing out the henna, and now I'm going to just spray on some leave-in conditioner. I got this one right here. It's the Mazzani hair milk, or miracle milk. So I'll shake it up a little bit. It smells so good. I'm going to be putting this on, and also I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp. I have the trusty Wild Growth hair oil. I'm going to be applying it to my scalp. My henna service is complete. I'm going to go ahead and do a style on my Microlocs. Make sure to continue to watch to see how I do it. This is pretty much it for this hairstyle, you guys. I showed you how I blend half wig to braid style in the front on my Microlocs, and yes, I think it came out really great. I'm loving the pop of color I have on my new half wig and the fullness as well. Thank you for tuning in on this week, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. Also, if you enjoyed the video, leave me a like. Have a great day and a blessed week ahead.